I was tired, really deeply tired. After my networking event, I sat alone in my car in that dark parking lot. I have done everything I was supposed to, and it even say all the right things. But my friend Carla say, honestly, Silvana, I have no idea what you do. What? What do you mean? Well, I see you are very active on social media. But if somebody asked me what you did, I couldn't explain it. I felt so upset, but mostly disappointed. I was working so hard, posting every single day, recording, podcasting, writing, to be seen. And I had zero results to show for it. Sitting in that parking lot made myself look at it honestly. My social media say one thing. My website says something else. And if anybody asks me what I did, I will come up with a different answer every single time. I have bent myself into different shapes for years to fit in every different room that I have made myself so difficult to understand and impossible to remember.